Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you and discuss how to revive a dying aloe vera plant.
Hello friends, click subscribe button and also click bell icon.
So guys, you see my aloe vera plant which is in a very bad condition. It leaves look like color turning to brown and yellow. So I am going to replant this aloe vera plant into a new one. So I pulled out the aloe vera plant from the pot to repot it. The roots are almost dry. It may occur due to some improper watering or overexposure to sunlight or the climate changes in the climate. So you see the leaves are almost yellow. So from this aloe vera plant I am taken one small aloe vera bud, so it can be used to germinate a new aloe vera plant. So it look like a healthy one. So the roots are almost good. It will survive. So I am taken that bud. So for repotting, I am taken one pot uh, and I am taken the waste materials out of it and mix the soil well inside the pot and mix some fertilizers like cow dung and wood ashes in equal amount. So it will provide some nutrients to the plant for the germination. So, after uniform fluffing, I planted the small aloe vera bud into the pot. I am removing the remaining aloe vera plant from the pot, and after removing all the other aloe vera plants, I am watering the new aloe vera bud. The aloe vera plant needed only less water, so twice a week watering is only required. So guys, I hope you all liked this video. So please subscribe and like my channel for more information about health and gardening. Thank you.